Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the 4th out of the 10 giveaway prizes. So if you don't know and if you are watching the video for the first time, then there is a giveaway going on which has 10 prizes to be won by one single person. So far we are down with 4 and these are the 4 giveaway prizes and 6 are more to go. So all the rules are in the description box. Do not forget to check them out. So there are days when you feel gloomy, you feel dull, you don't want to do anything, but you need to feel fresh, you need to feel lightened up, you need to feel bubbly and happy. So I just did this makeup look which will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes and you will feel a bit lift up on a day when you are not feeling good or you're sick or it's a lazy day. So I had really bad migraine and I just wanted to cheer myself up. So this is how I get up usually every day in the morning with open hair, and then I just tie my hair into a ponytail. And since I had migraines, I had to take a medicine, so I took a medicine, and then we will go on to doing things that would cheer me up. But you can do these things, or you might just change things according to yourself. But this is what I do to cheer myself up, to pamper myself. So yeah, let's get started. So in my bathroom, I just like to wash my face first on a day when I'm feeling gloomy. Otherwise I would sometimes even skip this, but when I want to lift myself up or when I want to cheer myself up, I like to wash my face. This is Biotic Botanicals Neem face wash. I am loving this currently. And then I'll just brush my teeth after this. When you are sick or you feel lazy, I think you should do almost everything to actually bring yourself into the mood and every sort of that, like take away the sickness or the laziness from yourself. So now I'm just scrubbing my lips with the back of my toothbrush, and yeah, I'll just pat my face with a clean and dry towel to clean my face, and then it's time for shower. So if you're sick, if you're feeling lazy, shower is something that would instantly just make you feel so refreshed. So do not skip your shower if you're feeling sleepy or lazy or you're sick. I like to use this Nivea, what's that, I don't remember the name. I use this body wash because it just lifts my mood, and then I like to spray some really good fruity smell on myself. So I'm using that's Versace Deo. It has a really beautiful fruity smell, so I like to use that. Then I'm just spraying some rose water on my face. The bottle is from Kama Ayurveda, but that's my DIY rose water. I have a link scrolling right on the top. Then I'm using the green leaf aloe vera gel. It suits my skin more than the Patanjali one, so I'm using that, and I'm really working on it so that it gets into my skin. So you should actually do everything that would make you feel fresh and lift up and cheered up. Now I'm using Lakme Souffle. I don't exactly remember the name of it and the shade. All the products that I have used in this video are in the description box, so if you want to know anything about it, just go and check the description box. And right now also I'm under the weather. I have that like really bad throat and cold. You can make out by my voice probably. So I'm just blending that out with the help of my fingers since I'm lazy and I don't want to do much, so I'm not using any brushes whatsoever. I like this because it gives a sheer coverage, kind of like what I want. It also has a dewy finish, so I'm just using some baby powder and then dusting off extra and using it on my face. That would instantly lift up my face and also mattify it. And then with a clean towel I'll just rub off the excess powder. Then I'm using Nature's Company coconut lip balm and applying that to my lips. Now I'm taking Maybelline Diamond Cord and I'm taking the highlighter from that and applying the highlighter on all the usual areas. This is really good to make yourself look really fresh. It will give you that fresh look forward kind of a look, fresh face forward kind of a look. So I'm just using that, and then with a clean cotton pad I'll just rub off the excess one, or probably just blend it into my skin so that it looks natural and the glow comes from within. Take any highlighter that you like or whatever you have and just use it on the usual areas. I think there was excess of it, so I'm just rubbing my hand so that it looks as if there is a glow from within and not like, you know, made up, because I really want this whole look to be very fresh and light and happy. So yeah, I used Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara and then Faces Magnetized Kajal on my eyes, and then I'm using this lipstick from In Color. It's their tester size one. I think the shade is 427, blood red kind of a color. It matches my outfit, so yeah, just using that. And then it's time for the hair, because lipstick and hair actually brings out the entire look. So I just did not want to do anything much with my hair because, you know, I'm lazy. So yeah, just detangling it, because when you're lazy or when you're sick, even your tangled hair would irritate you. So don't do anything, just comb your hair. That would even look good. But yeah, I'll just comb my hair and then I'll make a puff and leave my hair open. So yeah, just doing that. Simple puff with the help of a clutcher, and then I'll just bring some of my hair forward and just detangle more of them, and then bring some of my hair forward, and yeah. That we finished this lazy oblique sick day makeup look. Okay, so that's the finished look, and I hope you guys liked it. And that's my outfit when I'm lazy or I am sick. I really like to wear bright colors, so I wore that orange top which was purchased from a local market and a jeans. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys really like it, and if you did so, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you next time. Till then, take care, bye.